The kind fox and the injured bird. One day, a kind fox was walking through the forest. When he heard a faint chirping sound, he found a little bird lying on the ground with a hurt wing. The fox gently picked up the bird and cared for it. He brought food and water and made sure it was warm and comfortable. After a few days, the bird's wing healed. The bird thanked the fox and flew back to the sky. From that day on, the fox was known in the forest, not just for being clever, but also for having a kind heart. Moral: kindness makes you special, and good deeds are never forgotten.